Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to join Jandel servers and grow a garden on Roblox. One of the simplest ways is through Jandel's Roblox profile. If Jandel is online and playing publicly, you'll see a join button on his profile page. Just bookmark his profile for quick access and refresh it periodically to check for the join option. Try during update times or even when he's often active. Also, you can use the Grow Garden Discord server. Inside the official Grow Garden Discord, Jandel and other devs are sometimes active. Check if Jandel is online and in the member list, and you might be able to message him if you share mutual servers or have a tester role. Be polite and respectful, don't spam messages. And also, players with the tester role can access exclusive developer or test servers where Jandel often appears. You can get early access to new content, ability to join dev-only sessions, and increased chances to play with Jandel or Brighter. To become a tester, participate actively in the Discord server and create valuable content for feedback from the game. Jandel isn't the only one with admin privileges. Other devs sometimes host special sessions too, like Climax or other Grow Garden developers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Welcome back.